Hello, everyone.
Chair, we understand the view of the committee and the committee chair, but unfortunately, this being a matter of national interest, only the president can make that decision. I think we owe it to him to be the one who takes the final decision. We understand and we will convey it to the...
You are also
No, sir, no,
because here we are a portfolio committee of parliament, and all executives in this country, even the president, is accountable to this parliament. So what you are saying here is extremely out of order, and we stand by our decision, and we are not going to allow you to disrupt this meeting and want to dictate on what we must say and not say.
It was a matter
Point of order, Chair.
Honorable
Combat, the minister is out of order. She's speaking while the chair is chaired. Can she get really to the, can she be orderly? I'm worried about this contact. She must wait for the chair to chair and then respond at the right time. Thank you. Honorable members, I think we have a responsibility to teach the minister the protocols of this country, because amongst the reasons why we summoned her to the portfolio committee, it is because of this notion of thinking that executives are not accountable to parliament. And I am happy that at some point the leader of government business, the deputy president, David Mabuza, in parliament, one of the questions when they were asked the lines of accountability, he was very explicit to say, as the executive, we are accountable to the parliament of the Republic of South Africa. Hence, there is something called separation of powers and three arms of the state. So when